Cleaning your microwave is easy with a few simple items found at home. Apart from being unsightly and unhygienic, food remnants in your microwave can increase cooking times because they absorb some of the microwave energy. They may even shorten your oven's lifespan. Luckily, it's not that hard to clean and maintain your microwave using readily available, natural household ingredients. How often should you clean your microwave oven? This depends on how often you use it, but you should give your microwave a wipe every few days to avoid food residue building up. At the very least, make sure any spills are immediately removed with a damp cloth. A handy tip is to wipe the interior down with a microfiber cloth immediately after cooking steamy foods such as vegetables and rice, as the sides will be warm and damp. Make sure you reach into the corners too. How to give your microwave an extensive clean. Apart from cleaning the inside using the quick microwave cleaning method, it's important to clean away food that may accumulate in cracks and crevices. Number 1. Clean the turntable. Soup or other liquid may also make its way onto the turntable, and this can be removed for cleaning in your regular sink or dishwasher. If it's small enough to fit, check to make sure it's dishwasher safe first. Check under the turntable where the spindle is and make sure any residue is also wiped away. Number 2. Wipe the exterior. To clean the microwave exterior you'll just need a warm, damp cloth and a mild solution of soapy water. See your microwave instruction manual for any specific precautions. Generally, you should never use abrasive cleaning products or scourers inside or outside the microwave, as these can cause permanent damage. Number 3. Clean off greasy residue. For tougher, harder stains that don't respond to warm soapy water, make a paste with water and bicarb soda, and scrub gently with a non-scratch sponge. Number 4. Check door frames, dials and buttons. Make sure doors seal properly and gunk doesn't build up around buttons or seals. Anything that's made its way into cracks or crevices may need a soft toothbrush, cotton bud or toothpick to gently prise away any hard foods, but take care not to rub or scratch the surface as this may damage it. Never use anything metal and make sure the microwave is unplugged before you start. Number 5. Clean the sides, top and back of the microwave. Over time, dust may accumulate on the microwave vents, making them less efficient. You may not notice this if the microwave doesn't sit on your bench top. Grease and grime may also gather on the top of your microwave over time. It may be necessary to unplug it and give it a good wipe over once in a while.